Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the LCD. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, this phone is a clip. You have to open the clip right down. Okay, when you open the clip right down, don't open the back cover full. Okay, just open it halfway so you protect the fingerprint cable. Okay, you open it halfway. Okay, for the fingerprint cable this side, just hold it like this. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw back of the phone, up and down everywhere. You have to remove the screw because the LCD connector fixed two places, one fixed to the motherboard, another one fixed to the charging system. So you need to take out all the screw here. Okay, some of the screw is inside the plastic. Up here have plastic, here to have a plastic, so you have to remove this plastic. Just remove it, this paper here. Okay, when you open it, you see the screw inside. Okay, you open the screw also inside. Okay, you take out all the screw. Here there's a plastic, just open the plastic, screw is inside there. Okay, make sure you take out all the screw. Up top here also the same thing. After you remove the screw at the top here, you can open this cover. Okay, disconnect the fingerprint cable and put this one side. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw down here also. Okay, after you remove all the screw, disconnect the battery. Okay, and open the cover down here also. Okay, disconnect the LCD cable from here. Disconnect this that connects to down here. Okay, remove the network cable so you can have access to take out the connector very nice. Okay, now you need to remove the battery. So pull this plastic. Okay, the glue is down there. You just hold it like this. Try to pull the glue. Just pull the glue like this. Take it out. Okay, and remove the battery. Because there's another glue the other side. So after you pull the plastic, just open the battery from this side and do it slowly like this. Okay, take out the battery. Okay, remove the connector like this. Okay, now you put a heat machine for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so you can open the LCD. Without the heat machine at home, just force to open because you don't need this LCD anymore. Okay, after heat it, you just try to open it. If you don't have the heat at home, just force to open it. Okay, just be careful for your hands because they have glass. Okay, just try to open it slowly like this. Okay, remove the LCD. Okay, now you need to clean all the half glass right around the phone very nice. Make sure you clean them. Be careful for your hands. Okay, make sure you clean all the glue right around the phone very nice right on. After you clean it very nice on the old LCD, make sure you remove this cover on top here to cover the speaker side. It's very important so the dust will not make the speaker block. So remove it from the top here like this very nice and fix on the new one. So you remove this one first. Do it slowly and take it out. Sometimes it's hard to come out, but you have to do it slowly and remove it. You clean all the half glass on it very nice also, same like the way you clean the frame also. After cleaning, very nice. Okay, before you put the glue and fix the new LCD and fix everything, make sure you test the LCD first. Everything is okay, good before you do that, because sometimes the new LCD is not good. Okay, so now before you put the glue, make sure you fix this cover first on top to cover the speaker. Put a bit glue like this, just a bit in the edge. Okay, so this one will rest. You put this one first to close the speaker side. Okay, now you put the glue right on the phone, very nice at the edge here. Don't put on top of the front camera. Okay, just put close to the front camera like this. Don't put on top the sensor also, so that the phone will not malfunction. Just put close to it like this. Okay, and make sure you put the glue right on, very nice at the edge. After I put the glue right on the phone, okay, now you put remove this plastic in front of the camera here. Then remove this one down here also. Okay, now this big connector, you pass it here, and the small one you pass it down there. Okay, so make sure you fold it a bit like this. Pass the big connector like this, and pass it down one down there. Make sure you go inside before you put the LCD down. Make sure your LCD rests properly. Okay, fix the connector. Make sure you pass the network cable. Okay, close to the connector side here. Then you fix the connector first. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't force to press it in if you have the right position, so you don't spoil nothing. Okay, fix it very nice like this. Okay, fix back the network cable. Okay, fix back this one. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't force to press it in. Just shake it like this slowly so you can get the position and press it inside. Okay, then make way for the battery to rest. Okay, then you put back the battery. There's a glue here. Okay, if the glue is not enough, you can put small glue this side. You put the glue this side so the battery will rest properly. Remove the paper. Okay, then put the battery to rest, very nice like this. Okay, then fix the battery terminal. Okay, put back this cover down here, very nice one. Okay, then replace first the screw down here, all the one down here. Make sure you replace all the screw down there, very nice. Okay, after you replace all the screw down there, then fix back the fingerprint cable first before you put the cover. This is very nice. Make sure everything is fixed well, then put back this cover. Replace all the screw, take out the back, so main screw. Make sure you replace all the screw, don't leave any screw. Okay, after you replace all the screw, okay, then close the phone. Close at the top here, close down here, very nice. Don't forget, put back the SIM tray. Okay, if you have a rubber like, you can use it at least for 30 minutes so the glue will come down before you take it out. If you don't have a rubber like this, you can still use a selective, just tape it for 30 minutes so the glue become dry very nice at the screen, so the screen will rest properly before you take it out. Okay, now on the phone, as you can see, the logo already show the LC is good, everything is nice, that means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.